Greetings to all of you. My name is Lavlesh Singh, here to explain a topic, video presentation on topic midpoint subdivision line clipping algorithm. So midpoint subdivision line clip algorithm states that it is used for clipping line. The line is divided into two parts. Midpoint of line is obtained by dividing into short segments. Again, division is done by finding midpoint. The process is continued until the line of visible and invisible category is obtained. So it's given xm equals to x1 plus x2 and ym equals to y1 plus y1 plus y2 plus divided by 2. Uh, First we find the first midpoint division. Uh, then taking the point which we have got, and the last point we again find the midpoint of that division to find a new point, uh, and we again repeat this process until we get the our answer. So as you can see here, so x5 lie on the intersection of boundary of window, hence we stopped our process. So advantage of midpoint subdivision line clipping algorithm is that it is suitable for machining in which the multiplication and division operator is not possible, because it can be performed by introducing clipping divides in hardware. The algorithms of midpoint subdivision line clipping is: first, we have to calculate the position of the both endpoints of the line, perform OR operation on both of these endpoints. If OR operation gives 0 0 0 0, then line is guaranteed to be visible. Else perform AND operation on both endpoints. If AND is not equal to 0, then line is invisible. Else AND equals to 6000, then line is clipped in the case. Step 4: for the line in clipped, find midpoint. Xm equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Ym equals to y plus 1 y2 divided by 2. Xm is midpoint of x coordinate and ym is the midpoint of y coordinate. Check each point whether it is nearest to boundary of the window or not. Step 6: if the line is totally visible or totally rejected, not founded, then repeat step 1 to 5. Stop if we get our visible point, then stop the algorithm. So here is the example given for this. Window size is minus 3 1 2 2 comma 6. A line AB is given having coordinate minus 4 comma 2 and B minus 1 7. As the line is visible, find the visible portion of the line using midpoint subdivision. So hence our fixed point is given of is minus 4 point comma 2. Hence we find the midpoint between A and B, which is supposed to be minus 2 minus 4. So again we are not getting our exact line is visible, so we find the B dash, that is midpoint of B dash. Our initial coordinate changes, but our last coordinate remains same. B point remains same, hence we find again we apply the midpoint theorem, and we get the B double dash equals to minus 1 minus 5. So still we have not got our line is visible, hence we find the b double dash. That b double dash means again we apply the midpoint theorem, so we get the midpoint equals to minus 1 minus 6. So b double dash to be b length of line will be clipped from upper side. Hence we can clearly state that the line is visible. So A and B double dash are now endpoints. Find the mid of A and B double dash. Our coordinates are minus 4 comma 2 for A and minus 1 comma 6 for B. A dash equals to minus 4 plus minus 1 divided by 2 and 2 plus 6 divided by 2. Hence we got a dash equals to minus 2 comma 4. We have rounded off this 2.5. Now good now good minus 4 2 and a dash equals to minus 2 4. Again we apply the midpoint theorem and we got our a minus 3 3. Now we find the midpoint of a double dash and a. That is supposed to that's supposed to be on the coordinate minus 3 comma 2. So the line from a to a double dash will be clipped. Line after clipping from both sides will be a double dash to b double dash. Hence a triple dash equals to minus 1 comma 6 and b triple dash equals to minus 3 comma